Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we have a new product from GunWraps. Here we have the TactiGrip. This is a adhesive that you would put on any of your weapon systems. In today's case, we're going to be putting this on my rangefinder to give it a little bit of grip. But I'm going to go through the process of how to do this and how it works and what benefits this does have. So let's jump into it. So we're going to be going by a step-by-step procedure on how to apply this to any weapon systems. You can put this on firearms, you can put this on gadgets for hunting, whatever you so desire. So our first foundation is going to be the liquid, which is going to be what the glass is going to attach to. So we want to start off by ensuring that whatever we're going to be applying this to is clean. I recommend using some alcohol prep pads to get all the grease and oil, whatever may be on this, off, and then we'll go ahead and mask off our area and go from there. Alright, so we have this all cleaned up. We're going to go ahead and take some masking tape and we're going to section off the area that I want the grip to be applied to. In this case, I don't want it to be all over the rangefinder. I just kind of want it to be where my hand is going to be at the most, which my hand makes contact really right down in this area right here. So I think I'm just going to go about halfway up, maybe just below the vortex sign. Nice straight line. I'm sure you guys are thinking this looks familiar. That's because we just did a wrap on this, and we're going to be adding the TactiGrip to the wrap. So pretty excited about this. It looks pretty sweet. I've seen some pictures online of how this works, so I definitely think we're going to have a pretty cool outcome for this. So the process is super simple. First off, we're going to start off with our liquid. We're going to go ahead and spray this onto the application pad. As you guys can see, they do provide this all in the kit, this, and this pad. So we want to make sure that this is going to spray nicely. Got a towel down for protection. And we're just going to be doing a thin layer, so we don't need to go too crazy. Set that down, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start marking this onto the wrap. Nice straight lines, and this is why I use masking tape, so that way anywhere you don't want this to be, it's not going to get on. Make sure we don't have any bubbles. Nice thin layer. Just like that. As you can see, we have it applied. Now for the fun part. So now we're going to go take our glass. This is clear grip, and we're going to very gently pull this blue cap off so we don't spill it everywhere. Now this isn't like glass. You're not going to cut your hand or anything, obviously. So we're just going to take that right there, set this down, and we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle this all over this glue-like substance. Nice and easy. It's very fine grains, as you can see there. So you got to think of this as like a glue, and you're just kind of putting some texture on it. So nice thin coat. And that looks awesome. So you guys can see there, it's like a salt-like substance. It looks very sleek. So now that we have our first coat done, we're going to allow this 45 minutes to dry. We're just going to let it sit here, don't touch it, and we'll come back and we'll add another coat of this liquid to seal the entire thing. Alright, so we are back now. We're going to go ahead and do our overlay, which is going to seal this whole thing. So once again, we're just going to go ahead and spray this application pad just a little bit, just like that. And then we are going to gently start to lay this right over top. So you can hear that grittiness. That is because of the glass, of course. A little bit of ASMR for you guys, if you will. Now that we have our overlay on, we're just going to go ahead and let this sit for another 45 minutes, and then it will be completely done. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we do have the TactiGrip completely finished. It is all dried now. We can touch it. Very nice texture. It feels kind of like a sandpaper type. Very nice. It looks super sleek. I have phenomenal grip on this rangefinder now. It's not slick at all, and it is definitely going to help. So very nice there. Very cool product. Well guys, this is going to go ahead and do it for the grip tape. This is the TactiGrip by GunWraps, as I had mentioned. It's coming at about $23 for the full kit, and I'm assuming you can definitely probably get quite a few uses out of this stuff. But you get this bottle, and the application pad for $23 on their website. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go check these out. An absolutely phenomenal tool that is it's a little time efficient. You know, it takes a little bit. The drying time is what takes the longest, but the application is super simple, and it is definitely going to withstand quite well. Cool thing about this product as well is also after, you know, rubbing it really hard, you can take this stuff off if you didn't want it. So if you wanted to put this on a firearm, just bare firearm with no wrap or anything on it, you can do that, and it's not permanent. So obviously, you know, the gentler you are with it, the longer it's going to last. But if you really rub on this, it will come off. So it is not a permanent solution, but it is definitely a solution to give you just a little bit of the upper hand. So big shout out to GunWraps for sending that product out to me. It is absolutely insane. The ability to be able to put grip tape on whatever with just a little bit of time and some patience is pretty dang cool. So big shout out to them. As I had mentioned, link down below to their website. They have a long list of products to choose from wraps to grips to you name it, they have it. So go check them out. And thank you, my lovely subscribers, for watching all the way to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I like getting to do a little bit of diverse content here and there, so it's very cool that I get to partner up with GunWraps for these videos for you guys. But as always, I will catch you guys next time.